Hey, Crypto Growth Fab, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX, shining bright. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official crypto growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, we've got Decent. They've got their splendid products. They've got their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $70 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $149 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar. Anyways, let's see what's happening with SHX in real time. Any new info or information, a new post that we can get our hands on? Let's find out. Let's start from the official handle of Stronghold to see if there's anything new for us. Let's see what's happening. So look at this, folks. Snapshot incoming. The government vote for snapshot lands at 8 p.m. GMT, December 11th. Governance vote for empowers the SHX holders like you to determine the governance rules. The future of SHX is in your hands, your rules, your tokens. So the focus that they are they're focusing on the community at the moment, and I really like this. Community building is one of the part and parcels of any successful business, that is for sure. And this is what SHX is trying to do. It is trying to give the governance in the hands of the investors, in the hands of the proponents, the stakeholders. So this is really good. Let's see what Sean has to say over here. This is a pinned post.
Hi everyone, Sean here again, and I'm here to let you know that we will be capturing our snapshot of the Stellar Ledger at 8 p.m. GMT on December 11th. Remember, the goal of GovVote 4 is to establish the governance rules that will determine how SHX votes will be conducted going forward and give SHX holders more power to determine the future direction of the
So basically a snapshot is incoming. That is great.
Token. So, be ready. The GovVote 4 snapshot will be at 8 p.m. GMT on December
11th, so mark the date. That is going to be awesome. Look at this. SHX governance vote for snapshot happens December 11th at 8 p.m. GMT. We're capturing snapshots on the Stellar org and Ethereum ledgers. Your SHX equals your voting power. The key dates to look out for: the vote opens December 16th, the vote closes December 21. So to learn about the voting process, okay, so let me just open this up for you guys to make it easy. Let's see what's happening. The voting process. So look at this. They've got this multi-ledger voting. The process for voting is different depending on where your SHX voting power resides. That is which ledger you have SHX on. Click on link below that corresponds to the ledger you have SHX on that you wish to vote using. So if you want to use it using Stellar, let's click Stellar. Okay, so how to vote. Stronghold provides an interface allowing you to create and submit your vote easily and without having to reveal your secret key. This is enabled through the use of either a Wallet Connect enabled wallet or the Stellar Development Foundation's open source Fighter browser extension. Wallet Connect, you can cast your vote using a Wallet Connect enabled wallet such as Lobster. The process for connecting your wallet will vary depending on the particular wallet you are using. Generally, the process involves downloading the wallet's mobile app and scanning the QR code on the voting interface to connect and sign your vote. For information on Lobster's Wallet Connect implementation, you can check this out. How you can do it. You can connect your wallet easily. Those that are acquainted with DeFi know how to use this easily. They can connect their wallet. You have to install Fighter in a compatible web browser. Either create a new Fighter wallet. This account does not need to be funded for voting. Or if you have a 12-word seed phrase for your account. You can import your wallet into Frighter, but be careful, never ever share your 12-word seed phrase with anyone whatsoever, folks. This is 101 of investment in this industry. Never share your seed phrase. Import the secret key for your voting account into Frighter. Skip this step if you created a new Frighter wallet, and show the correct account is selected for voting. So basically, this is the process. You have to vote. Obviously, review the proposal. When you're ready to vote, click cast vote, make your voting selections. And if this is your first time with the voting interface, your wallet or Frighter will ask your permission to share your public key. Public key is different from your C phrase, so that you have to be careful about your public address and your private keys for sure. Your wallet or Frighter will ask you to confirm your voting transaction. Your transaction will be submitted to the ledger via the Stellar Development Foundation's publicly available Horizon API server. This is awesome. Let's see what's happening with the SHX in real time. By the way, the proposed SHX governance rules which we shared, you can look at the articles. There are fundamental principles. You have to check this out in details yourselves. They've got Article 2 definitions. They've got governance structure, number 1 proposal types, section 2 amendment powers. So there are going to be the different alterations to these rules, guys, basically, so in which the community can contribute and vote for or against whatever they will be proposing. Section 3, the question formats, binary choice, multiple choice. Article 4, proposal process. Section 1, proposal life cycle. Article 5, voting mechanics. Section 1, voting power. Section 2A, stellar voting process. So this is awesome. The stellar governance vote the stellar governance vote is always hyped, and it is good in my opinion. Let's see what's happening with the community in real time. Any interesting information that we can check out? I'm going to say something controversial. SHX will go double digits this cycle. I mean, this is a bit overambitious because even I think the banker said something about $3.3. I think but we never know with this industry. I mean, that is going to be insane. Even XRP, I think it went with this circulating supply of SHX, it went to 3 point something, yeah, 3.64 or something, and it is its all-time high. But I think that we should be a bit realistic and conservative. If something parabolic happens and something mind-boggling happens, that is an entirely different thing. But we should be a bit realistic when it comes to investment and set our goals, some conservative targets as well, obviously. But we never know with these assets, to be honest, because look at this. Stronghold is connected with so many wonderful projects over here and companies, these brands. ISO 20, it is ISO 20022 compliant. It is connected with Swift, Natcha, Ripple, IBM, WorldWire, Hyperledger, Stellar, obviously built on it. FEDNOW. I mean, this is awesome. Different connections. Some connections aside from these are also made by connecting by community connecting the dots. But overall, obviously, it is one of the most amazing prospects if it achieves what it wants to achieve. Obviously, possibly one of the best opportunities in crypto is SHX under $100 million. Look at this. SHX $76.77 million. If this is the correct market cap, I'm not sure, because there were multiple market cap confusion in a while back. Some claim that it is a bit high, some claim that it is a bit low. You can confirm the exact one. The most slept on asset in this market, SHX. Okay, let's get SHX listed on more exchanges. If everyone here does one post a day to all the major exchanges, maybe, just maybe, they will notice. Write a note and dag. Okay, so the community trying to shill and trying to promote SHX, that is always good. SHX fam, let the FOMO begin. Moon Commander, he's been following SHX since a while now. I really mean what I said, and I'm topping up my SHX back today. SHX fam, put on your seatbelts. The pump will be glorious. So still a believer. as well as Banker, guys. Banker has been a believer since day one. Look at this. Started at 0.0004, currently at 0.014, and when SHX hits $3.33, I'll disappear forever. We do not want you disappearing, Banker. Obviously, we would want you to cover SHX at that time as well, because at that point it would have become a brand, like XRP has become a brand, and so many ambassadors and people who have been covering XRP for a while. And when it reached such great heights, it was a point that, yeah, they could cover it without any pressure or burden on top of them, because it has already achieved what it claimed to achieve, and you were a part of it in the entire process, in the entire journey. There was a really good post from SHX Banker over here as well. I really like what he posts. We are in December. Are you ready for $1 XLM? True proponent of XLM and SHX. Did someone say fair shake? You know who else donated tens of millions to them? Coinbase and a little known company named Stronghold. Yeah. Look at this. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says the SEC's approach to crypto was the main reason his company and two others created the biggest industry super PAC called Fairshake. Stronghold also donated in it, and we saw Tammy endorsing it. Anyways, to each their own. Yeah, I think this was the post that I wanted to share with you guys. Look at this. SHX is one of the most compliant crypto projects in the world. It is designed for and used by businesses, institutions, and governments. Regulations are coming, and when they get here, SHX will shine brighter than anything, while most others will go to dust. So let's see. Let's hope that it is indeed true in the long run. Let's check this out.
Yeah, great question. I think that one of the things that both Tammy and I learned really early, even back in 2014, when hardly anyone in the crypto space was really worried about the regulatory environment, was to make sure that we're building with the regulatory environment in mind from day one. And that's why from quite early on, we've always had a compliance department, head of legal, head of compliance, to make sure that we're doing things in, I think, and you may see it in how we build and what we do, a little bit more of a conservative manner has always been our approach to things. But in terms of how we deal with regulations today, our audits are a big part of it. So again, SOC 2 on the sort of more technology and security side, NXRA audit for our involvement in the ACH system in the domestic US market, and then it goes to the partnerships we have with our banking partners, or sometimes we have banking sponsorships to run our payments products. And as part of that, we have to have a very in-depth due diligence process. So a lot of our customers, due to the nature of the businesses they are, we have to run what's called enhanced due diligence on them. So there's KYB, KYC, know your business. We have to run sanctions checks, background checks on them, and hand data over to banks so they can also tick off on customers that we're onboarding. So there's a whole heap of policies and procedures that were built over time to be able to bring on those merchants, and we do that in partnership with the banks that we work with.
So folks, this is great. What do you guys think about SHX shining bright in the long haul? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.